Welcome to Department of Pharmacology. Knowledge of pharmacology is essential for all doctors, irrespective of the specialization they choose. We have well-qualified and trained teaching staff to teach pharmacology. We have pharmacovigilance centers and students can learn how to report adverse drug reactions, and also they can learn how we can work together to minimize adverse drug reactions due to medications. We have 10 to 15 manic days to learn different modes of drug administration, which will make the students better skilled. We have administration experiments which will help students to understand different actions of drugs in their life. Pharmacology is incomplete without research. So we have well-equipped central research lab which students can utilize to do sub-quality research.